In today's video, we're going over adding drivers in the Mytecalemit Cloud system. So when you log into your account, you're going to go to Inventory Data, and then you're going to go to Drivers. We're going to click Add New Driver, and we're going to put in the driver's name. The driver number is automatically assigned. They don't need to know this at the box. This is just a sequence number between 1 and 2000. The code is going to be what they're typing in out of the box. Max is 5 numbers. It can be less, just not more. And we're going to enter that in here. If you're concerned, you can go over to the right-hand side, the little information tab, and it will let you know how many digits it can be and what the specifications are. PIN is a secondary layer, another prompt that the box would ask for. If you want to use a PIN, you're welcome to. I recommend not using the same PIN as the code because then your driver is out there entering the same number 2 times. So in this case, we're not going to use a PIN. If you're using key fobs or transponders, you're not going to have anything entered in code. You're going to put your cursor there and you're going to use the blue key fob reader, and you're going to scan your key fob into that slot. Personnel number, this is an additional number that you can add in. Employee payroll ID, anything that you're wanting to see on the report. This information does not actually go out to the box, but we can check a box on the reporting side of things to be able to see this in line with a driver. And we will go over driver groups in just a moment. You also have an approval tab. This is going to give you the option to approve for either every box on the system or approve for only specific boxes. All of these boxes on my account are deleted right now, but we are able to go in and select certain boxes that this driver is approved for. So once we have the information entered in for this driver, we're going to click Save. It's telling me that this code already exists, so it's not going to let me duplicate the code. So we're going to use a different code and we're going to click Save. Now, if we go up to the top tab, we're going to see that we have driver groups. We can add a new driver group. We're going to name this one Test Group 3. And then we can go in and list all of our drivers that we have added in already, or we can individually select under the specific driver as we go through and add them. So we're going to add this person to our group 3, and then it's going to list out all our groups. This is going to be helpful in your reporting section. You can run a report based on group only. So if you want to group out by maintenance or sales, something like that, you can run a report based on how these are grouped together. So if we click back on this driver, we'll see that we have groups down here to pick from. We can also select different groups here and click Save. It's just your preference. That concludes adding drivers into the Mytecalemit Cloud.